He's right here.
Pediasure Sidekicks has 25 vitamins and minerals, protein, and fiber. Want nutritional assurance? Try Pediasure Sidekicks from Pediasure, the brand pediatricians.
What does it take to offer 2-hour appointment windows? It takes a dispatch unit acting more like ground traffic control. It takes innovative technologies. It takes automatic schedule updates and real-time mapping. It takes commitment to being on time, in less time than ever. 2-hour appointment windows, part of the Comcast customer guarantee.
AT&T is talking a lot about its so-called advanced digital network. But when they offer you UVerse, you end up with the same old DSL speed. Xfinity is doubling the speeds of 2 of its fastest internet tiers. That's right, double. So now gaming, downloading, and streaming happen even quicker. Don't fall for UVerse. Xfinity internet is 4 times faster. Period.
Sign up today or get started with this great offer. Call 1-800-XFINITY.
After 2 days of shopping, Deborah's starting to believe that there are more flattering ways to dress for her work, body, and personality.
Deborah,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. So tell me a little bit about your hair.
Right now, I mean, it's longer, so I'm keeping it longer. It's a little bit more feminine.
Is being feminine important to you?
Yeah, well, since I've moved to Memphis, moved to the South, moved to a less conservative career, I've been trying to soften the edges a little bit, and instead of coming across as such a strong personality, I'm trying to just feel soft.
So what I'm thinking about is taking you to the